Dominate the pitch with the latest FC26. And here's how to ensure your Xbox is running the most optimized version of the game. First things first, let's get our Xbox system ready for the update. Power on your Xbox console and navigate to the Xbox dashboard. Make sure you're connected to your internet, as a stable connection is crucial for downloading game patches. From the dashboard, we need to find your installed games. Press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide, then scroll all the way to the left until you see My Games and Apps. Select that option. Once inside My Games and Apps, you'll want to select See All to view every game and app currently on your console. This is where you'll find FC26. Locate FC26 in your library. Once you found it, position your cursor over the FC26 game icon. Now, press the menu button on your controller. Y, that's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Y to bring up the game's options. A contextual menu will pop up. Look for the update option. If an update is available for FC26, it will be listed here. Select update to begin the download process. Your Xbox will now begin downloading the latest patch for FC26. You'll see a progress bar indicating the download speed and how much data is remaining. Keep an eye on this to see how long the installation will take. Once the download and installation are complete, you'll see a confirmation, and FC26 will be ready to play with all the new features, bug fixes, and gameplay enhancements. You're now all set to experience FC26 at its absolute best.